Because you want to boost your Amazon influencer earnings, right? You're in the Amazon influencer program and you're trying to figure out how can you maximize your earnings. This is the video for you that's going to show you exactly what you need to do. And for the record, to give you a heads up, this is not about changing your screen orientation or how to find products. These are real tactics that are going to help you score big. So listen up. All right, so what's going on, everybody? Here at Amazon quick intro here. My name is Vernon. It's about showing you how you can maximize your profits, other tips and tools and strategies that you can use to really take off with things. So today's video, we're going to be talking about what you can do to fast, and this is fast, to grow and boost your income really fast. One of the fastest ways that I have seen doing this outside of what I've talked about in other videos, which you might see up here in a second. But what I'm talking about specifically is partnerships. Partnerships are a fantastic way for you to really increase your income, and let me tell you why. With a partnership, and a partnership is when a company reaches out to you and asks you to create a review video for them, and in turn, they pay you a fee by doing so. Now, there are different conditions that go with every single partnership, and I'll be talking about that in a second, but just listen up to kind of give you an overview. Now, the first thing you want to do to start boosting your income is understanding how you get partnerships. For anybody watching this who's in an Amazon influencer program and you want to get approved for on-site commissions so you can really be a part of this, check in the description box right down below so you can learn how you can get approved. And for anybody who is already an Amazon influencer for the on-site commissions, meaning that you make money off of making review videos, really listen up because this is really going to apply to you when you're at this stage. As you continuously go out there and making review videos, one of the things we're always saying in our community is keep pressing record. By you keep pressing record, not only is that making sure that your storefront grows with product reviews, but it also gives you more exposure out there. There's billions of products on Amazon, billions of videos out there being made. But when companies find your video because you're continuously pressing record, they will reach out to you, and they can reach out to you in many cases to say, hey, we would love for you to make products for us, which translates into products that you get. You get watches, you can get headphones, you can get couches, you can get any product that is on Amazon. If a seller sees that you can represent their brand well, they will reach out to you. The first tip here, understanding what partnerships are. The second tip, as you're out there, you're pressing record, you're getting better, you're finding your skills, you're practicing, you're doing a better job, whether you're on camera or off camera, you're just getting better. When you are out there and you get an approach for people for partnerships, please remember this video is about boosting your income. And what tip I'm about to share with you is making sure you don't kick out of the program. Do not pay for a product first and have them reimburse you later. The overwhelming reason why is because it's against the term of service, which means if they find out, you're out of the program. Another risk is you might not get paid, and I've heard horror stories. So make sure that you're not actually getting reimbursed. They should be sending you the product first. I've seen this many times in our community. If you want to learn more about a community where you help people get approved and also give lots more tips than what you're seeing here, but we also give you more relevant information because as it comes out, we can update you a lot faster, obviously, than editing YouTube videos. Check in the description box right down below so you can join our free Facebook group. The third tip that I want to say to you when you're doing partnerships to really help you gain and boost your income is make sure that you are understanding the instructions for the partnership. One of the things I'm always telling people in our community is after a seller contacts you, after a brand contacts you, be very clear with understanding what the conditions are. Where does the video need to be uploaded? It could be Amazon, it could be YouTube, it can be many different places. They could even ask you to send a video to you. There's many different ways this can be structured, but you need to understand where the video is going to be placed. You also need to understand what are the requirements. Does the video need to be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 6 minutes? Does it need to be a product demo? Does it need to be an unboxing? But make sure you are understanding every single thing. The big reason for this, obviously, so you can get paid, but also so you don't have to go back and forth saying, hey, I thought this was supposed to be this way. I thought it was supposed to be that way. I have seen these situations come about. Save time from the beginning. Literally, you ask this question. What are the expectations or what are the qualifications for this video? Save yourself the time. The next step, after you receive the product, after you agree that what you are expected to do, what the product is to make sure that it is on Amazon, make sure that you are understanding what the turnaround time is. Turnaround time is how long do I have to produce this video? You want to make sure you do that so you can start setting deadlines in your mind. Sometimes they want the video done in a week. Sometimes they want it done in a day or two after you get the product. You never know, but you need to understand what the exact timeline is so you can know what you need to do. It just makes your workflow better. The big reason why this is going to boost your income, not only from this partnership, but you can still make review commissions off of that product. Plus you make an additional income from what they're paying you. Plus, on top of that, as you're going out there, more people are going to see your videos, which means more products are going to be coming your way. And when you do a good job with doing those videos, they start sending you more products. So this is literally like now you are getting an influx of products that you don't have to pay for, that you are also reviewing, and that you're also growing more inventory that you can have to make more money off of. This is a sweet deal. If you'd like to learn more about this, I'd be happy to kind of break it down even more further to help people out. But I wanted to create this video so you can know that there are definitely ways that you can boost your income, and I wanted to share the partnerships. But what's going to be coming up here on the Amazon Influencer channel is we are going to be talking about different ways, in addition to creating different orientation videos, to doing different types of videos, to doing partnerships. I'm going to be sharing with you different ways that you can boost your income really fast. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this. Go out there, have those profits soar, increase your income, but do it smart and strategic. I'm going to see y'all next time. If you like videos like this, check these out.